Okay, so this video is about how to refine results. And a lot of the refining results, it's pretty similar to what you can do in advanced search, but this is um, what you could do like if you done a simple search, or even you already did an advanced search, but you want to further like limit your the number of search results you have. So I use the same search term as the previous video. So there's libraries here, and obviously that brings a lot of results. It's over 2 million results. So on the left-hand side here, there's different ways to limit what's available, how you can sort it. You can do relevance, and that's generally what it defaults to, and then you can do it by day or author and title. And if you absolutely need something right now, you can also limit it by availability, like with something that you either can only use, like let's say you need it right now online, or if you could possibly go into the library, then you can select that as well. You can select those two. And you can also limit by resource type, so that's what sort of material it is, the date, the publication date. That's usually a pretty important one. If you think that a lot of the results you're getting are either too old or too new, you can decide to change that. You just have to type in um, something here, and then you can refine it. It'll automatically change it. And then there's several other ways to do it. Um, you also have the option to do subject and things like that. So there's several fields that you could alter once you've already done a search, either in advanced or simple search, to get better results and to also have fewer things to have to look through.